Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today I'll show you how you can install WordPress in XAMPP. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for XAMPP. From the result, open the first website, and it is available for Windows, Linux and OS X. Today I am using Windows, so I am downloading it for Windows. I like using latest PHP version. Now it is downloading. While XAMPP is being downloaded, I will download WordPress zip file. For that, you have to open new tab and search WordPress download. Now you have to open the first link and then download it. Wait for those to download. Then you have to run executable file of XAMPP. You can install it anywhere you like. I am installing it in its default directory. Just click on next. It might take some time. After that, open XAMPP control panel. We mainly need two of the services, Apache and MySQL, to run WordPress. Start those two, and if I go to Apache localhost, I'll get default XAMPP page. If you click on MySQL admin, you will go to PHP my admin, where you can manage database user and all. And if you go to Explorer, you will go to XAMPP directory, where you can modify the websites. And inside htdocs, you have to make all the changes. You don't have to do any changes in other directories. Go to htdocs and delete all the default files. And for testing purpose, I am making a new index.html file. Here I am making a test page. After creating this file and then saving it, I'll close it and then access localhost, and this page should be shown there instead of default XAMPP page. You can see from localhost we can access newly built web page. Now I'll delete it. Now next step is that you have to extract the zip file of WordPress we downloaded earlier. After extraction is completed, open it and copy the WordPress folder to htdocs of XAMPP. Till then, you can subscribe my channel. Now if I access localhost, you will get new directory called WordPress. If you open it, the setup code of WordPress will run. And to install WordPress, you will need all these details, and we can get these from PHP my admin. So open MySQL admin. Over there, go to databases and create new database for WordPress. You can name it anything. Okay, now we have database name. Now we need database username and password. By default we have root user. It is not secure. You have to create new user, but I am using it, and it have no password. Also its host name is localhost. You can see there. I am using the default. So let me run the setup. Here database name is newly created wp_db database. Username is root and we have no password. Also localhost is the host and we can click submit. And finally click run the installation. Now we have to set up WordPress site name. First of all, give site title and then give username from which you can log in. This is for admin credential. I am leaving the default password. I am copying it. You can make your own password for easy access. And if you discourage search engine from indexing this site, then your site will not be listed in Google, of course, when you host it. Now if you click on login and log in with the admin credentials you created before, you will be redirected to admin dashboard. And that's it. WordPress is installed successfully. Now I can manage plugins, install new themes. Okay, I'll show you by installing a new theme, but before that I'll show you how our website looks. So this is default 2023 theme by WordPress. Extra and activate it. Now our website looks like this. You can see it is powered by Astra WordPress theme. So our WordPress installation is completed. If you go to the database, you can see the tables are populated with WordPress data. In upcoming videos, I will teach you how you can host your own website with domain setup. For that you have to subscribe my channel so you get notification. And thank you for watching till the end. I am TrachitZ signing out.